Hello. So this short video is explaining how you can learn about our clinical clubs and make sure that you get them in your diary to be able to attend live. Since 2023, we've been tying the topics of our clinical clubs into our webinars as well. So the previous month's webinar topic, we tend to be covering a little bit more in depth, but also a little bit wider as well. So one of our panel members for the clinical club tends to be the speaker from the previous month's webinar as well. So it is also an opportunity for you to come along after watching a webinar and asking any questions about it. So the main place that we promote our webinars is in the ISFM forum. So from your dashboard, you click on the forum tab, and that will take you into the ISFM members forum. And a few sort of 10 days or a week or two before we have the clinical club, my colleague Yeza puts a post up with details about it. So if we are in the forum, I will just open my members forum directly. So the ISFM Veterinary Members Forum, and if you have a look in the discussion tabs, I will show you the previous month's clinical club. So here's the details that we did with the most recent one that's up on here. So Yeza does a post and she includes the Zoom link details as well. We'll also, from the forum space, send you out a reminder, an invitation email, and then a reminder email about an hour before the clinical club goes live. If you're not able to attend in person, they are all recorded as well. So once they're up, Yeza will do another post and share the link to the resources library, which is where that month's clinical club is also posted. If you're wanting to look at back catalogues of clinical clubs, they're all in the ISFM Vet Webinars folder in the Community Forum Resource Library. And as you scroll down, you can see that there are previous clinical club recordings there. However, the other place to also access our clinical clubs is in the webinar space as well. So if you go into the events section, and then scroll down to ISFM webinars. And then if you go down to your member webinars, and we can see that with the molecular diagnostics webinar that Embarker did for us in May. We also, if we scroll down, there's the link also to the Vet Forum space to be looking out for the clinical club there. And then after the event in our resource folder, we also have some information about the clinical club in there as well. And that will also include the link to the recording in that document as well. So here's the link to the recording. So that means if you have been watching one of the older webinars and then you think you'd also like to listen to the clinical club, it's all in one place there.